Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to get Microsoft Excel for free. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so what you want to go ahead and do is go to your browser and go to Google. Go ahead and search up the Microsoft Excel. Now if we go ahead and take a look at Microsoft Excel itself, it is going to be £149 to pay for it, and you'll get the rest of the other products as well, and you are going to get Word, PowerPoint, Outlook and OneDrive. However, of course, we want to make sure we use it for free, so I'm going to go ahead and show you that step. So first what you want to do is you want to go ahead and sign into a Microsoft account. So on the top right there you'll see sign in. I'm going to go ahead and click on the sign in. So you can go ahead and choose to create an account with Microsoft, or you can go ahead and sign in to your own account. Now that's primarily your choice. I already have a Microsoft account, so I've went ahead and signed in. Now what you want to do is open up a new tab or go back to Google again, and now this time what you want to go ahead and search up for is Microsoft Excel Online. Now, not a lot of people know about this, but as you can see, it is by Microsoft itself. All you need to do is click on Free Microsoft 365 Online. Now, we already are currently signed in, so all we now need to do is to go ahead and click Sign In. So you'll get this pop-up message saying your Microsoft account brings everything together. That's normal. You'll have your email just below the Microsoft there. Go ahead and click continue. So once you've went ahead and click continue, there you go. That's you on officially online. So there you go. Welcome to Microsoft 365. Now you've got more than one there. It's not just Excel. You do have the Word document. You have presentation, which is PowerPoint. You got a form. Quizzes, lists, designer, so you've got everything there. You also have Outlook, OneDrive and Teams. Now this is again for free, so go ahead and click on the one you want. So all the different ones are there. Go ahead and select Excel. So once you've clicked on Excel, as you can see, you can have a new blank workbook. You can choose from the different templates that they have, like simple service invoice. They've got project tracker, premium templates, evergreen calendar, so a couple of different ones there for free. You can go ahead and browse a couple more different templates there. Just choose the more templates, and there's other ones there like online sales tracker, gift planner, personal inventory, workout log, blank daily calendar. You've got your personal monthly budget spreadsheet, work plan timeline, so a couple of the ones there. Go ahead and select for a new blank workbook, and there you have it. You can go ahead and pretty much just create your own different tables or whatever else you want to use the Excel for. So there we go. There's shapes, pictures you can add in, add data, you can review it, page layout, so everything's all there. So that is pretty much the quick tutorial on how to download Excel for free. So as I said, with the Excel Online, you do get the other options there where you have Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive. So don't be thinking it's just Excel, but you do get the rest of the other apps. Now if you wanted to have this downloaded, you would have to pay for the full version in order to unlock it. But yes folks, that, as I said, reaches the end of the video. Hopefully you did enjoy it and you found the video helpful. If you did, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know how we got on. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.